Another video, another day. Getting ready for fall. Excuse the noise. My silhouette Cameo is going crazy right now. Yeah, just join me today as we cut a couple fall products and stuff like that that we sell to our locals. Stay tuned right after this intro. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so you can stay up with everything that I do. And if you are a returning viewer, what's up, what's up? So yeah, like I was saying before, small little things that you can sell on the side as a like an upsell type of deal. So if somebody comes to buy a shirt off of you or whatever the case may be that you're selling, you can always upsell something else. So the way I do it, I like to upsell window decals or stuff like that that people can buy to decorate their homes. So today I am actually using Oracal 651 or Oracal, whatever, whichever way you want to call it. It's just regular permanent decal vinyl, and I'm sorry about that. Google listings always doing stuff like that. So yeah. So just to make a long story short, I cut out different shapes right on my silhouette Cameo. On this one, I'm going to show you. I got some leaves on here. I'm also going to. I also did like a door decal. You can see it's very simple, guys. It's, two colors. Yes, you're gonna have to play around with the two colors. So the colors that we're actually going to be using on the decals is red. We have green, and of course, the brown. The chestnut brown or whatever you want to call it. And it's very simple, guys. You can buy these leaves and the acorns and all the fall little things, cutouts, the SVGs if you want to call it, Creative Fabrica. You can go down in my description and click on the link where it says designs, and it'll bring you right there. It does throw a little bit of kickback if you buy a membership. If you don't, just buy whatever you want or search whatever you want. They always have free stuff. They always throw free stuff. So if you want, open up an account with them and they'll send you emails with, different free fonts and stuff like that. And hey, I get most of my fonts and, the little things that I should say tedious things that I don't want to draw out. I just go on there and find it. 1, 2, 3, pay the little bit of money, and I will get whatever I need for whatever holiday it is. Also, we are going to be doing shirts for the fall, and I know everybody likes those fall shirts. So these are things that we do, and then we upsell with the vinyl decal. So stay tuned. Fairly easy, man. This is just something that you can make extra money on, and I do it every year, especially for the holidays. Let me just set this one back up so that way I don't know if I'm gonna put it on the machine, but I'll just smooth it out. I'm losing tack on my mat. I'm gonna have to redo it. I have videos on that. You guys wanna go into my channel, and I have videos on how to re-tack your mat. Let me just throw this on the side. So when I'm ready, I can just hit go. So yeah, pretty much here you're gonna need your weeding pick. I have a brand new one. Actually, guys, I got a whole bunch of these coming in. It's actually gonna be nice and comfort, and hopefully I can work with the distributor to get my name put on them, so that way you guys have something. I'm gonna have my X-Acto knife just in case. Probably the blade is dull on that. Definitely gonna need a squeegee. And you're gonna need your TransferRite film to go over it. Don't remember which one this is. I think this is the 1310. Doesn't say it on here. I think this is the 1310 clear. No guidelines or nothing. So we're definitely gonna need that. Let's put that to the side. So yeah, let's just weed this out real quick. This should be very easy. My blade on my Cameo is getting a little bit dull, so excuse if it doesn't come out perfect. I'm trying to get it at an angle where you guys can see it as well. Now guys, when you're dealing with this stuff is very tacky. So what I usually do is I would give myself some relief cuts just so that I can don't pull nothing apart. And this is what I do. So now over here, I would just cut it there. And I know it's probably easier just to pull it off in one piece, but hey, I'm a Taurus and I'm stubborn. So that's it. So let me finish up the rest. All right guys, so I finished up, I weeded everything out. I did have a little bit of a mistake. If you could see here, this part of the acorn was taken off. Of course, my blade is dull, so it didn't come out completely. But either way, it still looks good. I mean, I can cut that out and sell these as separates. And now this roll does last a long time. I like using the guidelines as well, but I use this one for the simple fact that sometimes you got smaller pieces and you don't want to go through all that headache of trying to line up everything. Now guys, you could do it this way, or what I like to do sometimes, I lay the actual transfer tape down, and sometimes this works out better for me. I lay it down, and then I bring the other piece up to it, and it makes it a lot easier. So it doesn't matter which way I do it. I just line it up to the bottom here. Just making sure, because remember this is 12 inches wide and the paper is also 12 inches wide. And then I just let it go. Once I do that, I start in the middle and go out to the sides. Go out to the sides. Most of the time I'll have this rolled out and I can be able to put 4 or 5 pieces on there. Let's see how sharp my X-Acto knife is. There we go. So that's the way it's gonna look, guys. Just make sure that you tack it down real good. But yeah, you got the point. This is the way it's gonna look. You can trim the sides off if you want, and you can sell this as a whole piece. I just grab one corner and just run it down. Now the person that buys it can cut each shape out and paste it wherever they want, whatever the case may be. So this is why I do it like this, and I always try to sell it to the customer. Just added extra income into your pocket. All right, guys, so once I finish everything, I gotta do the shirt, and once I do the shirt, I'll show you everything I have that you can upcharge with and make it simple for you to sell and tell people to buy more. Now it's time to press. I do have the sublimation already printed out, and you can find this again in my description on the Creative Fabrica on the designs. And this was a freebie. I thought it was pretty nice. for my wife. She likes the gnomes and she likes coffee, so we're gonna press this up. We are gonna be pressing it at almost 4. I think it's like 397. And this time I'm gonna do it for 60 seconds. I am using a Gildan Performance shirt. Not sure what the model is. I think it's a 640 or something like that. But it's a 100% polyester. Let me just pre-press it for a little bit just to get the moisture out. And we will. Okay, everything looks good. Doesn't look like there's any moisture on it. So let me take it off of here. And we're gonna set it over here. So I already lint rolled it, but I'll do it again just to make sure everything is out. The paper that I am using is A-Sub 125 gram, 8.5 by 11. Guys, if you guys don't have the t-shirt ruler, please link to this Urbani t-shirt ruler. It helps me out a bunch. It works wonders when the shirt is straight. I get it on point and I always get it there. So again, I have both seams up. The collar is nicely. Then I just bring this up to the end. Make sure that I have even amount on both sides. That looks about good there though. So I have the image is damn near to the top. So I'm not gonna give it any space, and this is a large shirt, so I am gonna go the 4 fingers down. So let's see, we're about 5.5, 5.5. And that's pretty much centered there. Now, that might be pretty low for a large, so I think I might go up to the red. So the red will be probably like a 3 finger instead of a 4 finger, and that looks okay. So let me just grab some tape just to hold it in place there. Matter of fact, if you guys go on the Creative Fabrica link at the bottom right now, I think they're giving away some designs and some fonts for free. Definitely you should check it out. It is not all the designs are beautiful and perfect, but it works. I mean, of course I have to go in there and adjust it a little bit, but it always works for me. Let's see how it looks. I will hold it up a little bit, and yeah, man, that looks pretty good to me. Let's put it back underneath the heat here. And this tape is pretty good. It holds everything nicely. Again, I am gonna recheck everything to make sure that it's to my likings on the press. I think we're golden there. So let me put a piece of butcher paper in between. This is the part that I hate the most. Is putting this butcher paper in between. That should be good. All right, let's put this butcher paper on top and let's press it up. Now guys, I am using the CoYlBod inks. So this is actually the first time I'm doing an adult shirt with this ink. So let's see how it goes. 60 seconds. Just medium pressure, not heavy. Medium pressure. All right, guys, so I got a little bit of bleed through there. You can see the image coming from the back. Let's take it all quick. Look at that. So let me show you this shirt to show you how it came out. I'll leave the butcher paper aside so that way, let me shut my press down. So look at that, guys. No burning. I don't know if you can see it, but there is definitely no burning. The colors look awesome. Very nice, very vibrant. And what I like about these Gildan shirts is that they feel like cotton. So it works awesome with sublimation. I really like it. And yes, I can get one of those, other silky type of polyester shirts, and I bet the colors will come out even better, and it'll probably soak up more. But these Gildan shirts are thin. You can see my hand right through them, but they feel like cotton. But look at that, guys. It came out awesome to me. It really looks good. Very nice. Because I think this design is supposed to be like a watercolor type of deal, but it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. There's nothing imperfected around it. See, these are things that you can sell, and it's fall. You're gonna want to sell something like that. So not only that, I did finish all the decal work. So, here you go. You got leaves, 2 in green. You got the 2 in brown with the actual acorns, and then you got the front door. All right, guys, so I thank you for watching this video. This is just something really quick that I figured that I would put out there that you guys can make money on, and it's always good to make extra money, of course. So if you can squeeze something like this in between, or just make these on the side just to, upsell to a client, then you're good. Your money will keep flowing. You'll be able to do more things. So on this note, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys all. Be safe, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.